All right, guys, from this site, I have made 5,573 naira stuffs like that. Well, this is a cheeky change, right? I know it's very, very small, but there is something I want to bring out from this. This is for people that are looking for ways to make some little change online. So I have many things to show you guys. Let me still show you another site. Well, this site is Naira Workers. I know many of you are used to this website, Naira Workers. How I make money from this, I will tell you about this. And this is another website. I made $25 from here. That's over 25,000 naira, over 25,000 naira. If you convert this to one now, so 25,000 plus with this one, I think we have over 30,000 naira from this. And what are we going to do from here? You can see just some tasks like that you have to do online. You subscribe to Presence YouTube channel and many things like that. You see, just let me just be showing you things like that. There are many from here. So as you can see now, this is another opportunity to make money online. For real, I did this thing just because I want to prove to you that you can do, there are things you can do to make money online. Why I made this video is just because I have someone that just came to my DM, like I was begging me what they can do to make money online. I was like, out of all things I've been posting in my YouTube channel, you don't know even one. You cannot even point to one you can do to make money online. I know there are some questions that will be difficult for you to respond to. You know, I'm trying my own possible best to give people opportunity, things you can do online. But some people want to people are funny. Well, to make money online is not easy, and it's still easy. There is a level you will get to, you find it easy, but when you are just starting, it's not easy. So please start it anyway. Just start it anyway. Anyhow, just start it anyhow, please. I know the road may be rough, but just start it anyhow. Time is coming when you will be the one to decide what you actually want to do to live, to survive. What I do, this thing I just show you now, I did not do it because I didn't do it because like I'm too serious with it, like I really want to do it, like I'm doing it to survive. No, I did this thing because I want to use it to train you. You understand? Because this money, they are very, very small change, and they are small money, and it's not easy to make. Yes, it's not easy to make it from this site. Yes, to make such amount of money. This one tell you that you can easily do it like that and make it. It's not easy. You have to work hard for it and get it. I have to do this because I want to prove to you that you can make money online. Yes, but if you are not lazy, it will be easier for you. But it's not easy. You have to give it your time and make money from this. So if you are very new to my YouTube channel, because here now I want to show you how you can actually do this and make this money practically. If you are watching this for the very first time, I want you to watch this to the end, but I'll quickly show you things to do to make money from this. Actually, let me just give you some insight of things to do. Like some people will ask you to subscribe to their YouTube channel, some will say join their WhatsApp group and many things like that. Just some things like that, and you do make money from there. And that is not all. Another way is that many people don't know that how you can make money from here. The little money you make from this place now, I'm telling you about something next. Little money you make from this place now, you use that your money to also do the same thing. Like you are now a buyer, like you are no more a freelancer. You can switch. I'll show you all these things now. So you will use CPA. Like I think I've told you about CPA marketing, how to make money with CPA marketing. This is not affiliate marketing. CPA marketing. You can use CPA marketing to make money from here. You pay nothing. You work here, you make money from here. That money you make from here, you use it to also render service online, or how will I put it safe? Offer service online, pay service online. Like, okay, please, I want someone to do so. The same thing you do to make money, you also pay people to do it, and you will make double amount of money from this through CPA marketing. I will show you everything, guys, because when you see people showing you their balance, I made this in my paper, I made this from my account, you feel like not lie. But there are some things behind the scene. There are some things behind the camera, or how will I put it, that you have done. So I'm just trying to show you some secrets now, because many people don't know that some of these sites is not all about you do and get little money. You can also utilize this little money to make bigger profits from it. So without further ado, guys, if you're very new to my YouTube channel, guys, I want you to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the like button, drop your comment, then share this video. So guys, let's go. So I want to register now. One of the good thing about this site is they also have a referral program whereby you can also make money by referring people. So if you check the description box now, you'll see my referral link there. You can click it to sign up for this. All right, so I'm using my referral link. That's why you're seeing FIVERR here now, just to train you guys. So I want to register for this now very fast without wasting time. I will register. You have to put your first name, last name. Last name is your surname. Okay, you put the username anyhow username you want to use. Are you male or female? You put your email address. Just leave this one like this as a referral. So FIVERR. Then password. Put the password you want to use. Repeat the password and click on sign up button. So as you can see now, I just put something random here. It's a demo account. So I'll click on sign up button now. All right, so look at it now. Account activation now. Confirmation email has been sent. Please check your email. So let me quickly check my email now, and I will get the code to put it here and click on activate account. All right, so this is our code. Let me just copy this. So I'll put it here now. I'll click on activate account. Let's go. Oh, great. Success, your account has been activated. You see now. You have successfully activated your account. Enter dashboard. So I'll click on enter dashboard now. Now see it now. See, so you don't have any money here. Nothing has been achieved so far. So now let's go and do some tasks now to make money from here. You can come here to, okay, this is your profile. You can click it, profile, to set up your profile first. So look at the profile now. Referral link. You can also have your own referral link. Copy the referral link here and give anyone so as to make money as a referral. That's a referral bonus. So make sure, is this one okay for you, or you want to update it? You can update this one. So now let's go to available jobs. Click on available jobs here. Now look at what I'm talking about now. Join WhatsApp group for legit money updates. So this person expected to have 100 people that will sign up for this. Just gotten 59 out of 100, and this person promised to pay 20 naira just for you to join this person WhatsApp group. Just so simple. So view job. Now what is expected from workers? Click on the link to join the money making update group below. So you have to join this WhatsApp group. That's the first thing. Require proof that task was finished. To get approved or paid, click on the link below to message me directly. Don't DM the admin for payment or your username. So look at this person you DM now. Send your Naira Workers username, save my contact as Gliss Hub, and type joined after saving my contact. Then come back here to type your WhatsApp number in the proof box below. I'll confirm your payment via your username and WhatsApp number you used to message me. No payment if you don't join the group. So information will be given here, and you have to upload things here. Then put whatever thing they want you to do, you have to put it here. Then the proof you screenshot, you have to upload it here also. So this one is for link, and this one is to upload anything, maybe screenshot, whatever, to upload the proof here. Just make sure you've read the instruction very well. Carefully read the instruction so as to know what to put here. Then click on submit proof, and you will expect to make your money from here. So job summary, join WhatsApp group, you see now. So let's go back and see, check another one. So this one will pay you 120 naira just for the task. This one will pay you 35 naira. This one will pay you 50 naira. So these are the things I've been doing online just to gather those small amount of money. Before you see, you will make 1,000 naira. Before you see, you make 2,000 naira. Before you see, so little thing you can be doing on your phone to make money online while you are just chatting. You can, or maybe while you are surfing online, you can also do some of these things to gather your little money online. So now this is all about this one. And if you want to withdraw your money, then look at this highest paying job. Let me click this. So look at the highest paying job they have here. This will pay you 500 naira. So you can also read this one is 170, 130, 120, 100, 85, 82, 82, 80, and so on like that. So account, my jobs, tasks I completed, message, report, referral, then wallet from here. Let me click on the wallet. So you see now, withdraw earning. So this is where you click to withdraw your money. I think it's when you have up to 5,000 naira before you can withdraw from here. All right. The second one here also. So I said I will put the link there also. That's Proud Gig. Then you can click on sign up. Just the same thing, just the same way. Click on sign up. Then you have to fill all this one now. Rename, type your response. So rename here, email address, password, confirm password. nickname, select your country, and here you put I'm a worker. Well, they say you can also change this, you can switch it later. So then you tick this and click on sign up button here. So I think I'll fill everything now. The next thing is to click agree, send me news event offer. I think this is optional. So let me click on sign up button now. But this one, I think this one is compulsory. I agree to Swaggy time of service. This is compulsory. But this one may not be compulsory. So let me click on sign up button. Well, I've been trying. I have difficulty in signing up this, and they say it may not valid because I'm using temporary email. So, well, I believe I've explained using this one, and I know everyone really understand this. Okay, the balance, I think I was given 5 foreign naira for sign up using referral link. So one of the good thing here is that using the referral link, they will give you 500 naira because you use referral link. So that's why it's very good for you to use my referral link. You will be given 500 naira. 500 naira, guys. So the same thing applicable with this one. I think if you use your correct Gmail, you should be able to sign up using this one. I think I've explained you should also be able to use this, guys. So guys, you see, these are the things you can do online. Little thing you can do online to make money. But let me tell you something. For you to make money using these things, it's not easy. Let me tell you, that's just the plain truth. It's not easy because it's not easy and it's still easy. But what I know is that it's still better than nothing. Better than nothing. You see, there's a level where you will reach. You'll be the one to decide like what I want to do to survive. There are some ways you can do things online. You work a little bit, you make bigger amount of money. But before you get to this level now, you have to start from somewhere. Okay, don't be lazy. So and that's what I want to prove for you here. And one of the things you can do to make reasonable amount of money online, like I told you, I use this one to prove to just to show you that you can do some of these things to make money online. I don't do this like real job I'm doing online. No, I don't do things like this. I have some other things I do to make my cool cash online. You work small, you make a bigger amount of money. And YouTube, you are seeing here, is part of thing I do to make money online. Like I do nothing, like, you know, I'm a lazy type. I don't usually upload. And no matter what, monthly I make 6 figures. Monthly I make 6 figures. So I'm trying my possible best to show you guys some of these secrets, some of these things, so that at least you can able to stand on your own and be making your money. And best I expect from you is just to drop your testimony in my comment section here, like you are doing this thing and like it's working for you. And what else? Where I want to, because there are some people. If you check after class for YouTube, here I have content on YouTube, how to make money on YouTube, things like that. But I still have many people that come to me. I'm facing challenge here, there, you know. It's not easy. You don't expect me to help you through, put things together for you here, and still come to my DM. You know, I am an entrepreneur, of course. I'm a businessman, so you don't expect me to just be giving you my service anyhow. Where I want to be training people based on how to make money as a content creator online, making money as a content creator. If you are interested about it, you have interest, you can just get in touch with me. Only people that have interest should get in touch with me. Or let me say, I will even drop the link. I'll drop the link. If you have interest in content creating, making money, you need someone that will mentor you about it, mentor you in making money as a content creator. Just get in touch. Okay, get in touch with me, or I'll put link to it in the description box where you see the class. Also, if you want to enroll for this, you'll be under my where I'll be mentoring you. I'll be your business coach on making money as a content creator, especially on YouTube. But not only YouTube, you have to be everywhere and be making your cool cash. But to be sincere, there's money online, real money online. We are talking about dollars. There's real money online. And if you also have interest in making this, it's either you are doing this thing on your own. But if you need someone to be mentoring you, don't be free. You cannot come to my DM and be disturbing me. Please, what should I do here? No, I'm a business coach. If you want to hire me, pay for my service, then you will get value of what you pay for. So if you have interest in this, like you don't want to be doing trial and error, struggling. We don't struggle. We don't struggle already. There are some things we can tell you. You don't need to struggle again. We'll tell you where we are fall, where we are rise, where we are afraid, and where we have accident. In this journey of making money online, you should not repeat the same mistake we made. So there's some information we can give you that will actually help you. Mentoring you, be your business coach. Do this. If you can obey, follow the instruction given you, why will you not make money within a month? You must. I cannot train you and you will not make money within a month. It's a must. It's a must. I'm telling you, within 30 days. It's a must. You must make your dollars. So guys, thank you so much for giving me your time since I really appreciate you guys. Do you have interest in affiliate marketing? Please go and watch this video. And if you have interest in making money from some app online, go and watch this video. Also, I want you to go and watch this, very, very important, guys. And this is the new video. Go and watch this. So I love you guys. Bye for now.